Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some nail polish from Nailwind. This is gel polish and this is the reflective glitter gel. Girl, if you've never tried reflective glitter gel, you need to. This stuff is gorgeous, so I'm going to pop in a picture of my nails really quick. And then I'm also going to pop in a small clip of what they look like with a light on them. They are so pretty. I just love these nails. And the colors that I picked are really pretty. I have like this chocolatey brown, and then this is like a champagne-y color. I think it's supposed to be like the bronze and gold color out of the kit. It's available on Amazon, and when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna pop in a picture of all of the different colors that you get. I did do 3 coats. I would recommend using a base coat underneath if you don't want to have to do 3 coats. I just wanted to try out the polish and see what it was going to be like on its own. I think next time I use it, I would probably use a base coat underneath of it. But it looks beautiful on its own. You can definitely build it up. And I also got these off of Amazon. These are like little leaves. These were very inexpensive. Love them. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them, especially for fall time, girl. I'm so excited. But yeah, if you like these types of videos, please make sure that you're giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, I would love to have you subscribe. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get into the portion where I show you the design. Okay, girl, so I'm going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to start with the base coat. Now, I already did my nails. I used the Beetles nail tip and glue set. I'm going to have that video linked in the description box for you guys in case you wanted to check that out and see how I applied the Beetles nail tip and glue set. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply 3 coats of this. I believe this is supposed to be like a copper color, but it's like a chocolatey brown color. It's so beautiful. So now that I have that copper chocolate brown color applied, I'm gonna use this color, which I believe this is supposed to be like the gold color. It looks like a champagne color to me. So now that I have all 3 coats cured, I'm going to take the rhinestone glue so I can apply the leaves. The leaves I did have to bend because they are straight, so you do have to bend them a little bit so that way they curve to your nail. Just kind of press it down into the glue. And doesn't that just look so cute for fall time? I love it. So now I'm going to take the top coat before I cure it, and I'm going to put a top coat over it. Just be careful not to press too hard on top of the design because it will move. And if it does move, just make sure that you slide it back into place before you cure it. So, of course, girl, you already know I'm going to use my favorite cuticle oil. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed set. I absolutely love how they turned out. I think they look so pretty. The colors worked out so great for fall time. I love this reflective glitter gel polish. It's so cute for fall time though. I love the little leaves that I added. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!